Do you want to know how you can log into your Juniper Payroll account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Juniper Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and search for Juniper Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Juniper. So you can see that this offers you the Catalyst Payroll, and if you can see on the top right hand side there's an option called Login. Go ahead and click on it, and if you click on it you can see the basic login portal over here. So you can also see some of the login portal it offers like Classroom Monitor, FS4S, Horizons, OTrack, Pupil, Sysra, Sonar's Curriculum, Sonar Tracker, and all of these. So you must not click on any of these. If you are specialized in this, you can click on it, but the simple one is this one. So go ahead and write down your username or email address in the first box. After you write down your username or address, go ahead and write down your password. Then go ahead and click Login. This way, you can easily log into your Juniper Payroll account. Let me teach it to you once again. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar and search for Juniper Payroll, and then click on the first link and click on Login. After that, you can see on the left hand side there is a login portal. Go ahead and write down your username or email address in the first box and write down your password in the second box. After you write down your password, go ahead and check your password once and then click Login. This way you can successfully log into your Juniper Payroll account. If you want your browser to remember you, go ahead and click on this box over here. And if you have lost your password and want to recover it, this is the link for you. If you are a new user and want to create a Juniper Payroll account for you today, this is the link for you to follow because you can create an account clicking on this link. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.